Make sure that your plug conforms to the Brushish standard rating 1363. Also, check for any cracks or damage before fitting. Blue is the neutral wire. Brown is the live wire. Yellow and green is the earth wire. We use the second letter of blue and brown to remember where they go. Mark and gently cut the cable sheath to around 50 to 60 mm, preferably with a dedicated sheath cutter. Lightly screw down the cable clamp. Roughly line up the sheath to the top of the clamp. When you have laid out the conductors, cut them to around 4 mm longer than they need to be. Then, mark all 3 conductors where the sheath needs removing. It's easier to remove the cable from the plug to score the conductor sheath for removal. Carefully score the conductor sheath with a knife. Once the conductor sheath is removed, twist the conductor strands and fold them back. You may find it easier to remove the terminal pins to ease fitting the conductors. Make sure that you mark the orientation of the pins. With the clamp half tightened, push up the cable into the plug to provide a couple of millimeter slack.